Good morning friends. Myself Nilesh Subhachan Jain, lecturer at DCS Institute of Pharmacy, Devpur today. Today we are seeing the practicals from the subject Pharmaceutics Second of Diploma course in Pharmacy second year. Then introduction of this experiment, in that monophasic liquid dosage form meant for external use. Liquid to be instilled into the body cavities. Example, that is nasal drop. So nasal drop are the solution of drug that are instilled into the nose with the help of dropper. They are usually aqueous because oil drops inhibit the movement of cilia in the mucus or nasal mucosa, and if used for long period of time may reach the lungs and causes a damage. The recommended containers for nasal drop, that is nasal drop, are dispensed in a color fluted bottle with a dropper or in a plastic container. Nasal drop have a special direction that is for external use only. Then experiment number 26, to prepare and submit nasal drop containing atropine sulfate. The prior concept of this experiment, that is it is a monophasic liquid dosage form. The new concept in that formulation and method of preparation of nasal drop. Learning objectives of this experiment, in that intellectual skill, that is to understand the purpose of nasal drop and its method of preparation. Motor skill, in that ability to prepare nasal drop and label it correctly. Apparatus required, that is beaker, glass rod, funnel, measuring cylinder, cotton wool, filter paper. Then the prescription, in that atropine sulfate 50 mg, normal saline solution 100 ml. Prepare 15 ml of nasal drop, 2 drops to be placed in each nostril as directed. Mitte ounce SS, that is 15 ml. Then factor, in that quantity required upon quantity given. Quantity required, which is a 15 ml, and quantity given, that is a 100 ml. The factor will be 0.15. The observation table, in that 5 columns. First, that is type. Second, translation. Third one, that is quantity given in a empirical system. Fourth one, that is quantity given in a metric system. Then next, that is quantity taken in a metric system. So here atropine sulfate, which is a parasympathetic drug, for 100 ml of preparation it will require 50 mg, and for 15 ml of preparation it will require 7.5 mg. Then normal saline solution, which is used as a vehicle and tonicity adjuster. For 100 ml of preparation it will require up to volume 100 ml, and in 15 ml of preparation it will require up to volume 15 ml. Then label atropine sulfate nasal drop 15 ml for, that is name of patient. Then register number, that is number which is recorded in a register. Dispensed by, that is name of pharmacist. Then date, that is date of manufacturing. Storage condition, that is store in cool and dark place. Additional direction, in that shake well before use, and special direction, that is for external use only. Direction for use, in that 2 drops to be placed in each nostrils as directed. And last one, that is manufacture at, that is DCS Institute of Pharmacy, Devpur today. Now let's start the procedure. Let's start the procedure of atropine sulfate nasal drop. In that, take atropine sulfate and add into the beaker. Then add normal saline solution in that beaker and dissolve that atropine sulfate properly in that beaker by using stirrer. Then check the solution with the naked eyes. If there is a requirement, then filter that solution with a filter paper, but there is no requirement to filter that solution. So transfer that preparation into the measure for measuring purpose. Make the volume with remaining quantity of vehicle up to 15 ml
Transfer that solution into the container by using syringe and needle. In laboratory purpose, we use syringe and needle for transferring that solution into the container. Transfer into the container with a syringe and needle. Attach the label properly, cork the container and submit that preparation. Thank you.